This is Novo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City not. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Thank you, my brother. I feel like the coach midweek or promised it was really by like wing play
Mhm.
that we are not gonna play position football, creating a lot of chances.
Yeah.
Like I didn't see that. Like you feel like Hori, like we are still stuck in those Rulani days whereby like we retain the ball a lot. We did not threaten the opposition enough, man. Like I think this is not a team we should be going to extra time with, my brother. If
Yeah.
you are being honest,
Like,
like
yeah.
we've had enough time to prepare for this game.
Mm.
Like we went to
Austria, yes.
Austria, yes.
Yeah.
Went to Austria, and then the preseason games were very good. Like I think we were just gonna take from there and then into this game, but like Gibona teams a bit different. So I don't know what's going on. Like that fast, dynamic football, like Ebony, but
Yeah.
we move on. We move on. Like
Okay.
engine let boy, let boy.
Yeah.
As a Mamelodi Sundowns supporter,
Mm.
I want to say that first of all, congratulations to
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns for winning the game. I know it was 1-0,
Yeah.
but I expected. I had expectations coming into this game.
Mhm.
I expected Mamelodi Sundowns to at least win by a big margin.
Imagine, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
But technically, I'm not happy
Mm.
about
What changes do you need to happen? Taking into consideration that you have played against a team that
it
came
was
number
number
eight, and you were
yeah.
number one, and you were hot in the league.
Yeah, I
last season.
expected Mamelodi Sundowns to at least win by a margin of 2 or 3 goals, but it didn't happen. So technically,
Yeah.
I'm not happy.
Mm.
I'm not happy.
No, let's hope that maybe in Cape Town against Stellenbosch, especially your starting year, you're gonna score more goals, and of course it's an aggregate game. So let's hope that maybe you'll make few changes there.
Mamelodi Sundowns is a very big team. It's not supposed to struggle against teams like this, because we want to contest Africa and the world. Remember, next year we're going to the Club World Cup. That's a very big tournament.
Big one, yeah.
So, Coach Manova, we love you. We love you so much. And, do the things, make the things.
Thank you very much, my brother. Hopefully you're gonna win this cup this season, because you're struggling with this cup. My brother, how do you feel? How do you feel about the game?
I also I'm not happy about the game. Actually.
Yeah,
I'm not
yeah,
happy about the game.
yeah.
But about the draw, actually, I wanted Paris. It's unfortunate.
Home and away.
It's unfortunate I didn't get Paris, but either ways, I'm not happy with the technical team, and I think my man of the match is Onyango. Because if he didn't make that,
they'll say
if he didn't get that red card, we were out. We're out. But going forward, I think the technical team must improve on because I'm not happy with the technical team.
And then what changes do you want them to do, like going forward?
At first, I don't know why Zwane started on the bench.
Exactly.
Why Zwane? Yeah, why Zwane started on the bench? Zwane must start the games, and then I know that our midfield going forward is actually stretched at the moment because of Miami is not performing. But let's introduce Saavedra because he's here.
Exactly.
Let's introduce Saavedra. Let's introduce Saavedra so that we can see what he can offer, because actually he didn't get any chance to prove himself. Going forward, I think we must have a good attacking force, creativity actually going forward. Which at the moment we don't have.
Change is good, but you must see the change. Changing Coach Rolani to Mangoba Mngidi, it's not a bad thing. He chose to leave Mamelodi Sundowns, and we must move forward as a team. So the most important thing is for us to keep the machine oiled. Mamelodi Sundowns must keep on moving forward.
But my brother, like one thing, I listened to the coach a lot. We did not see wing play. We did not see counter pressing.
We didn't see.
We did not see counter attacking football. We did not see Mamelodi Sundowns that does not keep the ball for too long.
Mamelodi Sundowns that
Yes.
But I'm worried about Maseko, man. What is Maseko your material? Because he's holding the ball way too much, man. And like Bozwane, they have opened up, and he end up losing the ball and all that.
Maseko will come all right, man. At the end of the day, Maseko is still young, so like I think he's gonna get to the level where coaches want him to really be at. And then as for us as fans, like we just have to keep on supporting the players.
Exactly.
And then a young talent like this, I know Maseko tends to be one-dimensional in most of the games, whereby he always tends to his left, and then he makes it obvious for
Yeah,
the
so
defenders.
one-legged player.
Yeah, but I think Mangoba talked about playing him more centrally as a striker. Like I think with his pace, and then if he plays towards the line, the center, I think he can be used for his pace, and then we can usually get a lot from him there. Maybe for that one touch and then goal.
Hey, one touch, yeah, one touch. But let's hope that he'll learn from that, because I remember Rulani told him, like, you know what, you're a good player, but
Yeah, it gets to him. I don't know why. Because of like he knows what Sundowns is that team whereby we don't depend on individuals, my brother. Like give to the next person is as good or maybe even better than you. Just give the ball. Just give the ball. Give the ball.
That's
we'll score from there.
That's Mamelodi Sundowns
we'll
football.
score from And then he was doing the very same things, my brother. I was watching preseason. He was holding the ball for too long.
Like,
Take the ball.
Yes,
Take the ball.
it
Pass the
happened
ball.
again in preseason.
But no, I think preseason we were good in preseason. I don't know what's happened. You know, today I didn't recognize Sundowns. In preseason we were good. We were scoring goals. Matthews was good. Matthews today he was isolated. So now he was substituted because of he was isolated. He didn't get many balls. Matthews. But I think the main reason is because Zwani was on the bench. Because I think Zwani will be the one to supply those our wings with balls. It's unfortunate Zwani was on the bench.
No, you know, my brother, I'm happy with the support of the supporters of Man United. The turnout.
Hey, I saw you at 59 today.
We tried.
No, I like it. The tickets were not free, ne? They didn't say no.
So
we love this
so-
team,
so I'm happy with the turnout from the supporters. Mamelodi
Good
Sundowns,
point, yeah.
please come to
come.
the stadium. Let's support our team, because you know sometimes maybe the problem is the support.
Yeah.
So
And remember your team is winning almost everything, but you know the support.
it's a very big team, my brother.
one, yeah.
It's a very big team. I don't wanna lie, and it's growing every day. Every day we are getting new supporters.
Yeah.
The turnout in the stadium was superb. I'm very happy with, because it's Mamelodi Sundowns against Polokwane City, so you don't expect a lot of people to come.
So I saw Makusi with there.
So-
Baganias with there.
Yeah. But the team is growing. It's growing.
All the best, man.
Thank you,
Keep well, man.